Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin and today we're going to go ahead and go over my Allure box for the month of July. This will be for next week's try-on things that I'll be using for next week. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you the box here, that everything that I got, and let everyone know that on this channel we do a lot of reviews, unboxings, and we're getting ready to start doing get readies with me. So if you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel for easier access to more videos like this. I'm going to go ahead and get the box open. When I first opened the box, this is what it looks like on the inside here. And it's always have a little magazine, which I do love as a consumer. As an unboxer, I don't really love, just because I have to flip through the magazine and try to find stuff in a hurry for everyone. But as for someone getting it as a consumer, this is really nice because it has information about all the products in here that are inside the box, and like a little reason to why each person picked it to be inside of the box. So it's really cool. This is the magazine here. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is a palette. And this is what it looks like here. And it looks like it's from Ciate, London, and it's the bronzed palette. And this is valued at $24. I do like how I have another Ciate London palette, and it's also like a light pink color, and I like the plastic on here. It's not cheaply made or anything like that, and it has a full-size mirror in here. And these are the colors that we have inside. Very beautiful, everyday, natural looks. The pigment is definitely there in most of the colors, let me tell you. Okay, so this is an idea of what the palette looks like here. Look at this color right here. That is crazy pigmented, just going in one time. These two here were more like topper colors to me. This one was really pretty. This one was from something else that I had swatched earlier. And then I have the two mattes over here. Well, no, this is a shimmer and this is the matte. So all around it looks like a really decent palette, and it's vegan and cruelty free, which I'm always excited for. You know, I don't feel good about when companies test on animals and stuff. It doesn't make me feel good. So at least I know that, and I can feel good about it with this company here. The next thing I have is Deluxe shampoo and conditioner from Perfect Smooth, and it's Natural Lab Tokyo. I don't know why I couldn't say that. Japan is like the #1 place that I want to go to on my bucket list, so that I didn't even know how to say Tokyo was kind of funny. This is what they look like here, and these are pretty decent size. You could get quite a few uses out of these. I do like to use stuff like this when I go on vacations because it's just easier to bring along, and it's going to last me for a few days while I'm there. So that is that, and let's see how much the full size of this. Oh, really cool. Look real quick to see what the full-size bottles of these look like. Aren't those neat? It says full size, they're $15 a piece, so I have no way of really knowing how much these deluxe size are, but $15 a piece, that's not too unreasonable. I feel like you could afford that if you did enjoy this product, so that is neat that it's affordable. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is a Allure Welcome to Skin Wellness Brightening Seed Jelly Mask. And this to me, sorry about all the makeup all over me. This to me looks like a deluxe size because I don't feel like... Let's go ahead and look in the magazine and see real quick. Full size for this is $19.99. It doesn't really say. This may actually be the full size. Let me see. No, this is not the full size. This is definitely a deluxe size. It looks way different from the packaging in the picture. It doesn't have the amount that should be listed in there. for the full-size product, but here is the deluxe size one that we got inside of here, and the full size is only $19.99. So also that too, if you wanted to have a mask, I don't think $20 for a mask is too ridiculous, depending on the size of the bottle. I would want to know how big that bottle is before I would actually purchase it. Okay, the next thing up, this is something that will be in a giveaway because I already have this. I got this for my BoxyCharm choice a couple months ago, and it says it's valued at $132. And my BoxyCharm, it said it was valued at $114, so I don't really know. I'll have to do some research to see which one of those is actually correct, maybe depending on which website you purchase it from. But this is an anti-aging, retexturing, and resurfacing duo moisturizer. So that'll be in a giveaway. Next up, we have a brow pencil from Winky Lux Unibrow. Yeah, this is the outside packaging. This is a full-size item, and it's valued at $16. And already, looking at the picture of this, I am loving the way that this applicator is shaped. I like the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the thinner liner ones, and this is what this looks like here. Yes, perfect. It's more like a brow shaped than those circular ones that you always get. I don't know if you can really see it that well, but it's more of like a triangular shape, which I think would be better for getting the brows. And this is just like the Anastasia one that has the dual ended, and both of them have lids on it. I love this, so excited to use it. Great find in the Allure box. And last but not least, here it looks like we have another deluxe size item. So it looks like our 3 full-size items this month, because you get 3 full-size items in your Allure box, was the overnight cream, the Ciate London palette, and the brow pencil. And this is the last thing, and it is La Roche-Posay Laboratories Dermatologic. I wonder what country this is from. This is from France. No wonder it is hard for me to pronounce everything in it. So let's go ahead and flip. So there's what that looks like. Let's go ahead and flip through in the magazine and find out a little bit more about this, because I'm not really sure. Okay. Full size of this is for $29.99. Anyways, so looks like it's just a hyaluronic acid and has vitamin B5 in it, and it's good for your skin. It's like a serum. So there's that. Let's go ahead and open and see what this looks like here. Okay, very tiny, tiny little item here. There is that. And that's everything that I got in my Allure box. So don't forget, I will be trying this stuff up next week, and then we'll be hearing a review about these products on the following week. And that's everything that I had for you today. So thanks so much for watching.